Discover India in style with Kiwaji Tours bus service. Our fleet includes deluxe, semi-Volvo, Benz, Volvo, and Mercedes buses, offering ultimate comfort and luxury. Whether it's a 27, 35, 41, 45, 49, or 51-seater, we've got you covered. What sets us apart? Air suspension for a smooth ride, mobile and laptop chargers for every seat, 32-inch LED TVs for entertainment, spacious Maharaja seats with seat belts, high-quality music system with UMCOD-ready microphones, extra large leg space for your comfort, digital temperature-controlled dual AC heater for winter journey, silent AC for a peaceful ride. We're not just city travelers. Some of our buses are designed for hilly terrains too. For bookings and inquiries, contact Arun Kumar and Rajan Kumar at 9999458808. Visit our website at www.kiwajitravels.com. Find us at 1587 Subash Road, Asia's largest wholesale cloth market, Gandhinagar, Delhi 110,031, India. Book your unforgettable journey with us today. Kiwaji Tours, Crown Luxury Travel, explore India.